Ndị Igbo ndị Enuani weji eme ọnụ daalụnị. Anyị bịakwa n'ọzọ ụbọchị tata anya anyị jekọ enebanye anya bụ maka na anyị kwuru na mbụ naanị Igbo enwekarị ebo Iteneni. Tata anyị ga-enebanye anya n'obodo wakpo Ila. Ila bụ obodo dị na Oshumili North Local Government Area of Delta State, ya bụ wakpo Western Igbo Land. Headquarters of ya bụ Oshumili North Local Government bụ Akwụkwọ Igbo. Tata anyị nebanye anya na mbụ obodo ndị dịsị n'Enuani nwụ ebu Iteneni 9 villages. Remember that in the book Things Fall Apart by a renowned professor Chinua Achebe, it was said that Okonkwo was known throughout the 9 villages of Umuofia after bringing honor to his community by throwing the Amalinze, the cat, during a wrestling contest. Most Igbo communities are known to have 9 villages. Today, we are looking at the community called Ela, which is touted to be an Igala settlement by many historians. We are going to look at the 9 villages of Ela. It will be left to you, the viewer, to decide where do you think Igala people merge with the history of Ela as a community. Here are the 9 villages of Ela. 1. Umuagwu, Ogboje, Umuetiei, Ajaji, Umuteidem, Ukumege, Ukpologwu, Ogboolu, and Onya. These are the 9 villages of Ela community. Ela is located in Oshumili North Local Government Area of Delta State, and the headquarters of Oshumili North is Akwụkwọ Igbo. Viewers, if this is your first time of coming across our videos, I am inviting you to subscribe to our channel and become a member of our YouTube channel so that you can be entitled to some of our exclusive content. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Do have a very wonderful time viewing other videos that we have on the channel. Thank you and God bless you.